Welcome back to JPMY Incorporated for our final quarterly decision. This quarter we did not increase wages again, as wages were close to the industry average. Employees were not complaining, and so the morale was high. On our last special decision, we implemented base pay or performance-based pay incentives, so productivity is rewarded and wages will be increased if productivity goals are achieved. In training, we heavily invested in training for new hires, quality and safety. This is to make sure that our new hires and promoted staff are trained correctly. Our quality program is to ensure our product is developed and maintained at this high standard, and the safety is to ensure employee well-being and safety within our company. And for programs, we invested heavily as well. We did implement the absenteeism program for employee participation, as our absenteeism level was high in the industry. We reintroduced a grievance procedure for employee morale, and we implemented an affirmative action program to ensure employee contribution was high. Thank you, and I'll pass you now on to my colleague.
So, decision for benefits. So this quarter we had no additional spend in our benefits package. The reason behind this was that the group decided not to commit any budget. Instead, we were going to focus the remaining budget towards key areas that required immediate attention, such as staffing levels, recruitment training for new employees, and training for supervisor managers. So the reason behind our decision was, as a group, we felt it was critical to address some key issues that were evident from our performance analysis and our newsletter for the end of Q3. We wanted to maintain staffing levels, but we also wanted to invest heavily in programs like training, orientation, quality, safety, and this was all in aid of increasing productivity. The investment in these areas should help us offset any shortcomings that we've seen creep in at the end of Q3 and to stabilise company harmony. Reinvestment in employee benefits will be considered again in Q5.
For level 4, I will discuss staffing. As a group, we looked at all levels of staffing and decided that we would promote and hire from each level. We did so as we believe that this will help us reach our production goal. For level 5, we promoted 2. We did so as we believe that it has a positive impact on having supervisors there, as they can overlook and manage the production of level 4. For level 4 we promoted 5, and for level 3 we promoted 10. We did so as we believe that it would be a quicker process to train further employees than starting out to train new employees. For level 2 we promoted 17. We did so as we believe that it's important to give all our employees the training and skills they need in each level. For level 1 we hired 68. We did so as we believe that it will help us keep with production demands and employment demands, and it would also help with cutting overtime costs. And I'll hand you over to a member of my team.
In decision 4, as for demographics, we had a large investment in new recruits in this quarter, so our demographics levels increased, where it rise to 40% of female, and the minority levels remained unchanged at 28%. As for specialization, which is industry, supervisor and self-appraisal method, incorporating option 4, because the supervisor appraisals are critical, as they are a managerial role with ability to fit down the line, and behavior encourage rating scale. It's a measurable rating system for individual employees